And he immediately hopped right back off the couch because he know I'm not having it, bro. I'm not having it. The way I was raised, every dog I ever knew growing up was an outside dog. Chain and dog house. Every single dog. I never even knew the concept of an inside dog until I was in like high school. Every single dog I ever seen was chained up in somebody's backyard, no gate, just a dog house and a chain. That's how I was raised. So, no, bro, ain't no, a dog is privilege in itself, let alone having a dog bed in the house. Shit, you winning. And you don't even need to get on the human bed or the human couch because you're not outside in the dirt. You know how many dogs I've seen? Yeah, dogs slobbering. Yep. Dogs with drool and slobber everywhere. Pit bulls and Rottweilers chained up in a yard. The yard has no more grass. The yard is all dirt because the dogs are in the yard all day. How many of y'all seen yards like that where they got 3 dogs chained up in the back? The dogs is always outside all year round. And the yard has no grass at all because the dogs be in the yard all day. That's the type of shit I'm used to seeing. So I don't be understanding how people just, let their dogs be on the couch and on the bed. And, they probably keep the dog clean. I get it. But the hair, how do you deal with that? I can't deal with dog hair and cat hair over everything. I just can't. We should have a get together and everybody bring their dog and give Trader an intervention. Oh my God. Y'all tripping. Dog park looking backyard. Yep. All right, let me get up in here and get some Rellos. Give me some White House. I mean, hey, everybody do what you want to do. I just, hey. Let me see. Nah, let me get some White Owls. Let me get like 4 of them.
Which ones?
Original. Hey, I got a question.
Yeah.
What you like, dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Dogs.
Yeah.
Do you let the dog jump on the couch? You do? Oh man, you crazy, man. Hey, more power to you. What about the bed?
Depends.
It depends.
Yeah, it depends.
Okay, hey, each his own. I say no. But I mean,
clean, so.
but it's to each his own. I guess everybody do what they want to do.
Used to it.
I feel that.
You want the receipt?
So maybe I'm the minority. No, I'm good. Thank you. Appreciate it. You too. All right, Thor, I don't know if you heard that, but your ass is not getting in my bed tonight or on my couch. So I don't care what everybody else do. Your ass, they go to the dog bed. I bought his ass a whole dog bed with a cushion and everything. You don't need my bed, Thor. Got me messed up. Thor done lost his mind. Sean Stone, nice to meet y'all. I'm a lady. I know I have the W in my name, but fallopian tubes and everything. Oh, okay. Appreciate that. Shout out to you. Just delivered to a house similar to that. I have a conversation with dogs barking at me while I talk to the neighbor. You are too funny. I just got back from dashing and found you. Hell yeah, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate that. Does step and poop and all kinds of stuff. Do you have one of those where you live, the trailer with the dog on the chain under the porch with no stairs? I definitely have seen that a lot in my lifetime, for sure. We gonna have to disagree on the doggy thing. That's okay. See, that's why we family though, because we can agree to disagree. We don't have to agree on everything, but the fact that we can sit here and have a conversation about it is what matters, right? If you agree, drop a 1 in the chat right now. That's what it's all about. Put it in the trash can. They always had the best weed though. What up, Mad Matt? If you have food, a dog won't bite you. I agree with you, Trader. No dogs in your sleeping area. That's just what I'm saying. Like, that's just me, but to each his own. Each his own. Just delivered to a house similar to that. Let's see. All messages. Maya, what's up, Maya? Must be in a drive-through store. That's another short video.